Shooting the videos in which we were doing the competition, we had to prepare like a stage kind of area because the theme that we decided upon is gonna be like a TV show competition. So this is primarily the area where we are gonna be shooting, but we had to do a lot of cleaning. So all the stuff that we have, because generally the rooms are not all that clean when you're living in a hotel and you are a travel vlogger at the same time rushing around here and there. So we dump everything in these two rooms. Oh.
Okay, you can come now.
Okay, I can now. Okay. And all the suitcases and everything is dumped here so that only this area look clean. Now we're gonna start the question answer. Mr. Nikhil,
yes, sir.
Are you writing the introduction script for me and Papa?
The scripts are ready.
Okay, because he is gonna be the host of this show and this is how he's gonna do. Shooting the videos in which we were doing the competition, we had to prepare like a stage kind of area because the theme that we decided upon is gonna be like a TV show competition. So this is primarily the area where we are gonna be shooting, but we had to do a lot of cleaning. So all the stuff that we have. As you know, the coffee machine is always hot and ready in Canada because everybody would want to drink coffee before anything and anything at all they do. So there's always a mess around this area. We just finished one coffee. The dishes we are just throwing like that right now because we are hoping this won't show in the video because no time to clean. We have to go to the next destination also. These can stay here, I believe. And because the wine in the hotel is sold at $29 plus a lot of taxes, so we got this one for less than $20, I believe, from ठेको क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में?
Liquor store?
Liquor store, yeah, liquor store. Sorry, ठेका is such a nice word, you know. It comes to your mouth like so easy. ठेका.
Coffee.
Would you like to go to ठेका, my love?
What?
ठेका.
What is tikka?
Liquor shop.
No, I don't think to.
Okay.
I'm good with my coffee.
Perfect. You sure?
It's early.
Oh, okay. Later in the
It's
evening.
4 o'clock somewhere.
Yes, everybody, are we ready?
Yes, I am.
And in the morning itself, Nikhil took the road to get these from the Walmart store because we thought that we will do answer writing on these, like the classic chalkboard style, which we didn't quite get, and some other bloopers. If I would have gotten time, I could have gotten something more, but
Like what?
I was busy sleeping. That's what also very important. What were you saying? That's why?
Fine.
Huh?
That's why everybody's having coffee right now except you, and you're the one with the more energy.
Yeah, I had some rest. Okay. And it's all 11:50 a.m. in the morning. Second coffee already.
1.5.
Okay. Are we ready now?
Coffee are very light, so it doesn't count.
Okay, shooting begins. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go! Okay, I need to make a push from here now. Go! Okay, that's good. Yeah. Now push towards that side.
Yeah.
Now from here. 1, 2, 3, go! Yes! Perfect, but when we do the intro shot, the person is supposed to come from here. How will we come here? Like jump? Okay, we push a little more and we'll have a passage. Okay, towards this.
Backward?
Yeah. Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Ready?
Move the table a bit.
Now I need to get the camera lens. I'm thinking of shooting it with f2.8, but the camera bag was there. Oh, welcome. Yeah. Okay. There you go, Mr. Nikhil. Can you replace the lens, please? Do you play? Merci beaucoup. For the intro shot, I'm thinking of doing like Triple H. Can I do that?
What is that?
No. Or maybe I can do Ric Flair. Woo! Have you seen Ric Flair?
No.
You must be too young for that.
Papa really looks like he's sitting, waiting for a TV show, you know, like the back room.
Waiting for everyone else.
Mr. Host, are you ready?
I am ready.
Are you done sipping on the coffee? Keep it aside. Keep it aside. What are you doing?
Cleaning?
Are you done?
I think so.
Perfect. Now we need to tell Papa exactly how the grand entry, because Papa has never seen WWF, WWE, whatever. So basically for the entry, Papa, you need to be making faces like you are walking into
Angry.
a wrestling. No. Yeah. Angry. Like you're walking into a boxing match. And then you are hearing cheers from the crowd. You are like, yeah.
Like this, Papa. Like this.
Okay.
Well, like this would look fake.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take you someone else is in front of me in traffic and jam it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You want me to see,
exactly.
you want to see me
Yes.
angry?
Yeah, classic Indian road rage kind of style. Okay. come here in this area, do some cheering like this, and then you walk back from here, and then you stand here and meet Nikhil. Nikhil is going to ask you some questions.
Okay, I didn't sit down.
Oh, yeah, after some questions.
After some questions, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Mama, on the count of 3, 2.
Mr. Denny,
Yes.
welcome to the ring, sir. How are you feeling today?
Bad.
You feeling bad?
Yeah.
A little nervous?
Angry.
Scared?
Not angry. Not nervous.
That sounds great. That.
Don't make me laugh. Don't make me laugh like that. How can I be mad if you make me laugh like that?
Where's the angry young man look? What's it?
You're being very angry.
We need to play some rowdy music for him to feel that. Go!
This looks good. Thank you. Yeah.
Mr. Denny Beauchamp, welcome to the ring, sir. Pleasure to meet you as always.
Thank you.
Are you a little nervous of today?
Not at all.
100% confident.
Confidence in total.
So you think you're gonna win?
Oh, I will win.
Let's see. That is great attitude, sir. That is what we want on this competition. Please have a seat.
Thanks a lot.
We consumed so much energy from Papa for this competition and video. He's like, I need a drink now. Well deserved.
Indeed, I was actually really surprised that you guys answered so well. I'm a bit emotive,
Oh, really?
Emotional.
emotional.
Oh, that much. Wow.
Okay, so Mr. Nikhil, can you please open this? Because I'm hoping to use the pen from here to make some pointers here so that we know exactly where we have put the camera. Because for some shots we will need to lift it and make some close-ups when we are taking answers and recording expressions. But Madam Beauchamp is saying that we might end up, dirting the table. So we will check if we can remove it first with a small tester. Works like a charm. Works like a charm. She was not letting me use this. Okay. Now let me make some markings here.